Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to Modelones for sending me this amazing polygel kit. I always appreciate Modelones for always considering me in reviewing their products. So here I am just briefly showing you everything that the polygel kit includes, and I absolutely love this one because definitely giving me Halloween vibes. So I definitely loved the way that these polygels were looking, and there were some glittery polygels in there, so you guys know that that was it for me because I absolutely love all things glitter. And by the way, I will have a discount code. I will have everything linked down below, down in the description, along with on the screen somewhere. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and subscribe if you haven't already. So thank you guys once again for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So these are what the polygel swatches are looking like, and I thought they were such pretty colors, and you can do so many nice Halloween looks with them as well, which is what I definitely loved. And I didn't own any grays or like black glittery polygel, so I was super exciting. And here I'm just showing you briefly the colors that I'm going to be using, and I absolutely love using this particular type of stand when I am doing the lazy girl method. So I definitely recommend you guys try if you haven't already. And I love how it ends up self-leveling out everything towards the end. Like, you will notice if you do try this out how the polygel, for example, is going to be self-leveled once you're done doing your whole set if you do it on this stand like this, which is why I absolutely love this stand. I love doing it with the lazy girl method, or if I'm doing like gel polish or I'm doing a quick set, I really enjoy using this particular stand. So here I'm just going to briefly continue to add on the colors to my desired nails, and then we will get into this tutorial. I am using base coat as a slip solution, but you're able to use alcohol or whatever you desire, whatever makes your life easier or whatever works best for you. You could also use the slip solution that the polygel kit comes with, or another slip solution that you may have laying around, but I'm pretty sure everybody has base coat, so that's why I always like incorporating base coat, to show you guys that you don't always have to just use a slip solution or alcohol. You can also use base coat, and it maneuvers the polygel very greatly, and I absolutely love using base coat. I think it has to be my favorite way of doing polygel. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about this particular nail tutorial today. I was definitely in the mood for some Halloween nails. I definitely want to try to create a lot more Halloween nails this year than I did last, because I don't really think I did that many Halloween looks. I believe I only did 2, so I definitely want to try to incorporate more this year. And I'm just loving, you know, watching and seeing everybody's creativity and just all these sets that people are coming up with Halloween themed, and they're just so beautiful. So I definitely was in the mood for some Halloween nails. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And as you guys can see, before I let you guys go, you guys can see that this polygel is super easy to maneuver, super easy to work with. I always recommend it. I recommend this polygel for everybody, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, just because it works amazing and it's just so easy to use. It's very smooth, it's not runny, and it's not too stiff. It's just right. So I definitely recommend this polygel for absolutely anybody. And you guys can see other people's videos as well. A lot of people love Modelones and just Modelones polygel as well, but just Modelones products in general, they're just really good, and I absolutely love them. So yes, if you're looking for a good top coat, I love Modelones top coat. If you're looking for a good polygel, I love Modelones polygel. If you're looking for good gel polishes, Modelones definitely does incorporate a vast variety of all types of nail products, nail art. I just went on their website today and I saw that they have a bunch of Halloween gel polish kits, acrylic kits, dip powder kits, gel polish kits, if I didn't really already mention that, polygel kits. Like, they definitely cater to it all, and I really appreciate that about Modelones, that they're just always catering to everybody's wants and needs, and it's just what I love. It's not like it's just acrylic or it's just polygel or it's just dip powder. No, it's just a vast variety of all things nail art and nail related methods, which is absolutely amazing because some people prefer dip powder, other people prefer gel polish, other people prefer acrylics, and some people prefer it all. So I really appreciate and admire Modelones for incorporating all of that, and also very affordable prices. There's always discounts, there's always sales. You guys could always use my code as well. So yeah, I will stop talking and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So next I'm going in with Beetle's nail foil glue, which is my absolute favorite. I'm going to go ahead and apply it onto the nail, and then I'm going to go and cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'll be applying my foil. And this foil is super cute. It's literally a Halloween themed Playboy bunny, super adorable. You guys will see what it looks like. So that is what I'm just doing here, showing you the process. And now I'm going in and applying the foil. I'm grabbing the silicone tool and just really, you know, going in there with this tool, which I definitely recommend silicone tools. It really helps for the foil to come out really well. So that is just what I'm doing here, maneuvering it with this silicone tool. So that is what I'm showing you guys here. And by the way, when it comes to the lazy girl method, if you get any flooding or underneath the nail, you get any bulking, you could always go in with your drill and fix those little errors that always tend to like happen at times. So don't worry or panic or anything like that, because you can always go back and fix it with a drill or a nail file if you don't have one. So I just went in with some base coat, and now I'm going in and applying some black Playboy bunnies that I had, and I'm just randomizing them all over the nail. So that is what I'm doing here, and I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. I hope I am explaining everything enough or in detail. Sometimes I don't know, I figured, you know, I've done so many videos, but I know not everybody watches every single video of mine or every video indeed. So I know I have to try my best in explaining the best of my ability. So here I'm just going in with the clear polygel, and I'm just going to be encapsulating that, I guess you can say, but I just wanted to make the nail thicker, which is why I included the clear polygel. And I did go ahead and cure that nail before applying the polygel for everything to stay in place. So here you're just gonna see me working the polygel from cuticle all the way to the free edge of the nail. So now I'm just going in and applying the nail on, and then I'm grabbing my Eno Couture flashy lamp and just curing it really quickly. And then I'm gonna go in off camera and fully cure it under my UV lamp, which I will be doing off camera like I mentioned, but this definitely comes in handy. And next I'm going in and applying my top coat. I did buff, file, and shape off camera. I don't know, let me know if you guys prefer me implementing the buffing, shaping, and filing on camera or off camera, because I feel like sometimes my videos are a bit repetitive and that might be boring to some of you guys. So I decided to not include it into these videos. Let me know if you prefer it to be in the video or not. I kind of like it not being in the video. I feel like those type of things they could get very boring and repetitive. So here I'm just going in and applying top coat to all the nails, and then I'll be curing it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment down below to let me know what you guys thought on today's nail tutorial. Thank you guys once again for watching. I love you all. I'll see you guys next time.